Welcome to third video of this DBMS tutorial series. First video we have discussed about DBMS normalization introduction, and the second video was about first normal form, and this video is going to be about second normal form. Uh, for a table to be called as second normal form, the first point it should satisfy is the table should be already in first normal form. So what is first normal form? We have did this in our last video. We have multi-valued attributes in this column mobile. So two mobile numbers are there in single column, I mean single cell. So we have reduced it to single valued attribute. So that is what we have did in our last video, and made this table to satisfy first normal form. So this is what first normal form is. So for a table to be called as it is following second normal form, it should be already in first normal form, and then there should not be any partial dependency. So what do you mean by partial dependency? So before that, what do you mean by dependency? Let us take this table for an example. We have four columns: register number, so register number of a student, name of the student, branch and district. Okay, the first point, primary key is register number. So what do you mean by primary key? Okay, before explaining what is primary key, I will take this column name. I'm trying to get the district of a student whose name is Kavin. So by viewing it manually, I'm getting confusion whether the city is going to be Karur or Coimbatore, because we have two names that belongs to Kavin and Kavin Kumar, which is more or less same with the first name, and last name differs. So similar is the case with the first two records also. So this column cannot be used to uniquely identify all the records of this table, and similarly I cannot get name of a student whose branch is mechanical. So because when the branch is mechanical, there will be many students with this same branch, and similarly district also. The only column left with that uniquely identifies all other columns and records is register number. So this is what the primary key is all about. Primary key is nothing but a single column that uniquely identifies each records in the table. And coming back to the concept, the second point, can I get name of the student with register number ABC003? Yes, obviously, because there is only one register number named ABC003, because this is primary key. Similarly, I can get the branch of a student whose register number is ABC002, and I can get the district of a student whose register number is ABC003. Even though there are two students with the same district, I can uniquely identify him or her with register number. So this is what the dependency. Name, branch and district, all the three columns is completely dependent on register number. Change of register number changes all these values. So this is called as dependency, or even it is functional dependency. And now we will jump on to second normal form. So for a table to be called as second normal form, we already discussed that there should not be any partial dependency. So I have created a table with partial dependency. Let us take this table as an example. We have three columns: register number, course name and course fee. Primary key is combination of register number, course name, because for example, let us take ABC001. Can we assume that ABC, all the records or all the course fee of ABC001 will be 1000? Definitely it's not possible, because ABC001 can do a course on C, and likewise ABC001 can do a course on Java also. So the course fee does not depend on student, but it is depend on course name. So register number alone cannot be a primary key. Okay, let us change this concept to course name. Whether course name can be primary key? No, because if I try to get a register number of a student whose course is Java, it is not possible, because under the name of Java we have two values here. So the course name column cannot uniquely identify all the records of this table. So it cannot be acting as a primary key alone. So the only solution is the combination of register number and course name can be formed into a primary key. So this is called as candidate key. And coming to non-prime attribute, there is a non-primary key column, course fee. Let us check whether course fee is fully dependent on primary key, which means primary key is combination of register number and course name. So whether course name is dependent on register number and course name is dependent on, course fee is dependent on register number and course fee is dependent on course name. Here that is an issue. Course fee is definitely not dependent on register number because it is completely dependent on course name alone. So we have a primary key of 2 columns, but the course fee, that is non-primary key column, depends on a part of a primary key, so that is partial dependency. So how can we remove this partial dependency? Simple. We can split this table into 2 tables, register number and the registered course in a single table, and course name and course fee in other table, like this. Register number of a student and his registered course in first table, and course name and corresponding course fee in other table. Now in this table, again, in this table register number alone cannot act as primary key and course name cannot access primary key individually. So in this table, as usual, register number and course name combinedly together form a candidate key and act as primary key, and there is no non-primary key attribute in this table. And in the second table, course name is the primary key and the corresponding course fee will be non-primary key column, and this completely depend on course name. So the partial dependency is removed here. So this is what we have done. Remove the column course fee from student course table, that is this column is removed from this table, and add the course name and course fee in a separate table. So that is what we have did here. And now this table, these two tables is said to be in second normal form and there is no partial dependency. Hope this video is useful. In case any queries, you can leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel and share this to your friends too. This will be helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.